Hello everyone, welcome to Windows OS Hub. If you are preparing to reinstall Windows or migrate to a new system, you may need to extract the printer drivers installed on the source host and transfer them to the new host. I have a Windows 11 computer with several printers, and I want to copy a specific printer driver from this computer to another one. Windows 11 does not have a tool that allows you to export the printer driver via the Printer Settings dialog. You can view a complete list of installed print drivers in the Print Server Properties dialog box on the Drivers tab. Here, you can only add or remove print drivers, but not export them. In order to export installed drivers to Windows, you will need to use command line tools. The built-in PowerShell command export Windows driver allows you to export all installed Windows drivers to a specified directory. This command exports all the installed third-party drivers, including print, network, video, and other device drivers, into a separate subfolder. However, it is challenging to identify which folder corresponds to which driver because the folder and INF file names are not descriptive. If you only need to extract a specific printer driver, it may be easier to find its location in the driver store using PowerShell. I used the Get-PrinterDriver command to list the installed drivers. To display detailed information about a specific driver's INF file, specify its name as an argument to the command. I located the folder containing the required driver in the Drive Store File Repository directory. Navigate to this path and copy the entire driver folder. This directory contains all the files necessary for installing the printer driver on another computer. The video description and linked article provide a PowerShell script that automatically exports all installed print drivers into separate folders named by printer model. Copy the script code and paste it into an elevated PowerShell command prompt. The script will create a separate folder for each driver and export all necessary files to that folder. Now the directory with the printer driver can be transferred to another computer where it can be installed through the Print Server Properties. Go to the Drivers tab, click Add, and then specify the path to the printer driver's INF file. The printer driver that was extracted has been successfully installed on another computer and is now ready to use. That's all. Like the video and subscribe for more sysadmin tips from Windows OS Hub. See you later.